Yes, ready. Mr. Vice Chairman, while I rise to support the motion of thanks to the President moved by Mr. B.P. Moore, I have some small observations to make with regard to the address made by the President. Stop before I make those observations. I would like to dwell one or two points that directly affect my state. Stop. The President in his address said that the government has taken the initiative to associate the opposition in discussions on major issues like those relating to Assam and the Punjab. Stop. This is a welcome trend which must continue. Stop. This is a very happy statement. Stop. In this connection, I have to state that the Ravi Vyas River dispute is sought to be reopened in the negotiations with the Akali Dal. Stop. Jammu and Kashmir is one of the parties of this dispute regarding allocation of water. Stop. I would request the government that when this issue of water resources of Ravi Vyas is being discussed with the Akalis or decided unilaterally, the case of Jammu and Kashmir must not go in default. Stop. I say this because the Chief Minister of Haryana and Punjab and Rajasthan were invited to those talks, whereas the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir was not invited. Stop. We do not mind that, but our case must not go in default. Stop. Para. Secondly, the President mentioned in his address that the turnover in public sector has increased by 21%. Stop. In this connection, I have to mention that a sum of rupees 21,000 crores is invested by the Government of India in the public sector undertakings. Stop. The Jammu and Kashmir's share is rupees 3 to 4 crores. Stop. This imbalance needs to be rectified. I would request the government that they must take this thing into account while selecting new sites for new industries. Stop. Topographically, Kashmir and Jammu have different geographical features. Stop. While in Jammu, you can set up medium and heavy industries. In Kashmir, you can set up photographic units, chemical and electronic industries. Stop. This is also an issue about which people of Kashmir are greatly concerned. Stop. Para. In the President's address, he has said that the wholesale prices in mid-January were only 2.8% higher than 12 months earlier. Stop. In this connection, I want to mention that for 5 consecutive months right from June 1982, the prices were coming down in the wholesale market and the finance minister had made many statements to this effect in the monsoon session, glorifying this as one of the government's achievements. Stop. If the wholesale price index has now gone up by 2.8%, that means we have gone back instead of moving forward. Stop. I would request the government that they should fix a target that we will not allow any price escalation beyond that level, and all measures should be taken to ensure that this is the achievement. Stop. Consensus efforts should be made in this direction. Stop. To engage satisfaction to tabulate wholesale prices will not help. Stop. Consensus efforts should be made so that prices are stabilized. Stop. The President has said that rupees 700 crores have been earmarked for drought relief. Stop. This is a welcome step. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are very backward states. Stop. I would like to know from the government what criterion has been fixed for releasing this amount to various states. Stop. I have got all the sympathies for Himachal Pradesh, which is a sister state for Jammu and Kashmir. Stop. But Himachal Pradesh has got rupees 13 crores, whereas a big state like West Bengal has got only rupees 54 crores. Stop. How is the distribution done? Sign of interrogation. I would like to know this from the government. I would also like to request the government that when distribution of this relief money is made, it should be done on equitable basis. Stop. Para. The President has said that power generation has increased by 7.2%, but one thing has not been stated in the address. Stop. One fundamental fact is that in the ordinary normal course of events, there is a natural increase of 10% year to year. Stop. On the present basis, because the population is growing and the requirements also rise and other things rise, the normal requirement is about 10 to 12%, and if there is only an increase of 17.2%, that does not even meet our normal requirements. Stop. I would therefore request the government to give top priority to power generation. Stop. In this connection, I would like to say one thing. Stop. The Jammu and Kashmir government and also the Himachal Pradesh government have submitted schemes for smaller hydroelectric projects for generation of power. Stop. No new raw material is required for these schemes because water is available. Stop. But money has to be made available to these states so that these projects can be completed soon and power can be generated in a more rational way, in a quicker way. Stop.